you're experiencing audio desync issues in CS2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your audio is properly synced with the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Access the audio settings in CS2 by navigating to the options menu. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio latency. Within the audio settings of CS2, look for options related to audio latency or buffering. Experiment with these settings to find a configuration that minimizes desync. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix audio issues. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart CS2 on your computer. This ensures that all settings are applied correctly and can help resolve any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.